I want to talk to you about your estate property. Now, with an estate, there are three types of general classifications of property. There are probate assets, non-probate assets, and liabilities. Now, liabilities aren't property, there are debts that you owe when you die. So let's first talk about assets and probate versus non-probate. A probate asset passes through your estate when you die. So that asset will pass through your estate, your family will declare it on an inheritance tax return. A non-probate asset is not part of your estate, but your family may still owe inheritance tax on it. And it's important to discuss with your attorney the difference between probate and non-probate assets. Now, liabilities are deductions against your estate. Your deductions will be all the debts that you owe, whether they be long-term debts like a mortgage or a student loan payment, or short-term debts like the medical expenses that you incurred prior to your death. In addition, typical deductions against an estate will be things like funeral expenses, or what's known as final expenses. Those deductions are all calculated and subtracted from your gross estate, and what's left is your net estate, and that's the amount that you will pay inheritance tax on. Now, in Pennsylvania, there is no inheritance tax between spouses. Every other person will pay some type of inheritance tax depending on the person's relationship to the person who has died. And again, it's important that you discuss inheritance taxes, the types of property in your estate, and possible deductions, because this will give you an idea of how you should set up your estate plan prior to you passing away.